Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to the briefing for Monday, the 27th of November. All right, the chart's a bit messy today. It's showing on here a weakening cold front at midday. I would say that's just to our north, and there's occlusion down to the south. But basically, we've had low pressure move in since yesterday, and bringing with it rather unsettled and miserable weather. Going further ahead to tomorrow, a little bit of a better outlook. Isobars widening out, so winds will be lightening a bit. And no significant weather by the looks of it over the top of us. Hopefully it should dry out a little bit. And going further ahead to Wednesday, depending on the positioning of this front here, we may get a day out of it. Okay, winds today showing towards the centre of the country, pretty much northerly, a little bit south. It's slightly more westerly of that, so 320. It's about 20 knots from the northwest, perhaps slightly further from the north as the day goes on. The sat peg is showing quite a lot of cloud at the moment. Since sunrise wasn't that long ago, you can't see that far, but maybe a few showers around. Maybe it's down here to the south, but generally a lot of cloud cover over us at the moment. And yeah, you see those showers down to the southwest and very big band to the south and the southeast of us at the moment. And going ahead, looking at the forecast, we're actually in a clear area in terms of showers. As we go ahead, 10:30, you see the chance of something coming through. And continuing on, about 1 o'clock, it looks like this large band of showers that is to the north of us will be catching up and giving us showers pretty much all afternoon. And that lines with the public forecast, which is showing showers from about 1 p.m. onwards. Otherwise clear this morning, but the issue is going to be low cloud. If we look at humidity, it's currently at 96% and staying in the 90s pretty much all morning until the rain arrives, where it increases even further. And the temperature not actually increasing increasing by 1 degree at midday. So probably not going to be lifting too far. Otherwise, wind starting off from the west and going further north as the day goes on. Top temperature today, 9, maybe 10 degrees if we're really lucky, and dew point about 7. So yeah, the peak difference there, we may have a cloud base of about 1,000 feet. And that's current view outside. That cloud is quite low. Otherwise, it's all right. Just over 8 degrees, the dew point's at 6.5, so quite close together there. Okay, we'll look at Odium's forecasts. They're currently showing half an hour ago, scattered at 700. That's about 500 here, which looks like that's what we've got. Forecast. So they put all day here, few clouds at 1,000 feet, so about 800 above Lasham, but they've got a tempo here of broken clouds at 1,000, so 800 again. And they've got another one here for even lower cloud until 10 a.m. Becoming from midday, broken clouds at 1,000, light rain, drizzle, and then even lower cloud from about 1 p.m. onwards. They put a prop 30 here in the afternoon of more rain and even lower cloud. So generally not the best. The chance we have is around about 11, 12 o'clock by the looks of it, where they're showing few clouds at 1,000 feet, so in theory, wind launcher aeroto through that. See what Farnborough's saying. A little bit more optimistic. They're showing scattered clouds at 4,000. Not sure where they're getting that from. So there's a chance, not in the next few hours, and certainly not this afternoon, as a couple of hours may be flyable. This is top meteo, 10 a.m. It's showing low cloud and scuddy stuff in our area, and it's kind of that all day really. Drizzle moving in, they're showing 12 to 1 o'clock, so they're showing it a little bit earlier than the Met Office. So a pretty dreary picture looking at top meteo. No TAMS. Okay, an operation here, if we do go flying, we'll set up on 2-7. We'll have the launch point slightly offset to the south, and the cables will be running down the north side of the airfield. Depending on what time we did go flying, if we do, how strong that northerly component is, I expect it's quite strong at height, so we'd need quite a lot of correction on the winch launches to the north. Otherwise, standard circuits landing on the grass. Okay. There are a couple of movements. There's a King Air arrival at 10:53, Navajo arrival at 11:42, and a 737 departure at 10:45. If we do go flying, it's pretty damp out there, so be particularly careful of misting canopies. It may be that in itself prevents flying. Okay, it's a good day for the simulator or for some bronze papers, I think. If the chance arises and we have the enthusiasm, we will go flying, but looking a little bit doubtful at this point. Okay, I will see you on the airfield. Bye for now.